cool and then happy. And then they think that I'm making fun, but truly,
We're just having fun.
No, I like this. I really like this. Even in my group, in Bicol, I like this.
So you sit in your room by yourself and sing remix to Ignition?
Yeah. I used to sing alone. Yeah. And then I used to, oh, come on. I used to imagine you are there. Oh, come on. Crowd and more.
This looks like something else. Looks like he's doing something else.
I mean, I'm imagining something or.
I would put on CDs, right? And then I plug in my electric guitar to my amp and just pretend I was on stage.
And then you're looking at the CD and you're playing the CD that you're playing concert. We're different. Me, I don't know. We're different. I imagine you have a reflection, or you have reflector. What do you call that?
A CD
Do
player.
you have an idea or what you call it? Basis or what? You have
Ano?
meron kang pinagkukunan.
Foundation or something?
Yeah, meron kang pinagkukunan ng idea on how to move and it's just moving like.
It's just pure.
Yeah, pure like.
Wow.
You're
sarcastic na. Wow.
No, are you being true also to me?
No, because I see what you're doing. I see what you're talking.
See your true colors.
Ako ganito talaga ako, Michelle. No, don't think na ako I'm fooling you or
Making fun.
no.
Alright. Tama na itong telenovela, kaya na tayo.
Maybe you can see in my face I'm no, I'm happy talking.
Comedy naman.
I like talking and talking. I like chatting, you know.
I noticed. Yeah, no, that's sarcastic. That's sarcastic.
Just sarcastic, you know.
Hindi, siya yung nagiging sarcastic.
That I noticed that you like talking.
Yeah. That's right.
Yeah,
I like talking. I like asking questions. Yeah, I like learning, asking question ideas. I like asking what's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this? I don't know basking. What's the meaning of basking?
Basking.
I don't know the meaning.
Basking is like
Bilad.
if you're sunbathing,
No.
right? Basking.
No, the basking or basking or bosking.
Oh, I don't know what the fuck that means.
Pwede submit sa YouTube to eh.
Ready talaga ito.
I don't know.
Mga 2,000 hits per...
you can observe me that I am really
Mitch,
fond
what's
of
your
asking
blocking?
questions.
Blocking.
Yeah.
Upstage, upstage.
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 MOS.
Oh, this is non-stop, huh?
Non-stop.
Like him.
MOS.
MOS!
So, actually, yung mga napag-usapan namin.
Pag
sinay mo, talagang kukunin agad yung attention ng camera.
It's really, it's really good. And then, akala namin kasi medyo... Akala namin kasi medyo nagkaka-tripan kami dito. Pero, as a matter of fact, I'm being true to what I'm saying. As a matter of fact,
Sagot mo daw yung dinner mo.
Yun, mali.
Sir, actually, we are
You're what?
live tayo.
Bayaran mo. Di ba evidence ka, kuripot ka? Sa'yo makanalo yung magbabayad nito eh. Reimburse eh.
Ang galing pa.